Mommy Janet? This one. What is our goal, Mommy Janet? This is our goal? Mommy Janet, this is our goal? I'm serious. That will be a church wedding. Yeah, guys. When I come back here. You need to invited. The bride's family pays for that, Mommy Janet tradition. Married in Philippines is 120, one half 20. The price is the best. Uy, pakarigos, may mo man ulan, lula. And the bride's friends don't be cheap. Sa Roman siguro. Where did your wedding, Isa? Can I? When is your wedding, Isa? Can I attend? Yes, Anna. This year. Yes, by for Scott got it taken care of now. Scott got it taken care of. No worries. This year, Anna thought. You can come to Iloilo. In 1 year, I can contribute. Not 1 year, Mommy. I think I swing going to Iloilo. This year, guys. Before end of 2025. Because Scott will be on US for a few months and then we come back here. Why pa oh? Wait ang kumaan? I will drive my multi-cab when can decorate. Oh, you can fly here, guys. Oh, when you come back to here. I think, Anna, before December. Yes, Mommy Janet is invited, guys. But I don't know yet if Mommy can fly to Philippines. Wala ka duty. Wala, oy. Ay, ano ta na si Ikulan, Ana? Late man si Ikulan, oy. Wala jud ka huna-huna. Never, We will pray for doctor approval. Yes, Mommy Janet. Ikulan balu asagikan. We can do LS for Janet. I got a gift. Just make tablet tapes of who contribute so who know. Okay, Mommy Janet, no worries. Mommy Janet, yeah, we'll do that. Uy, Ikulan, ayaw pag ano dira kay kasukan ka among uyab, Ikulan. If I am loyal, I care about your happiness no on this journey. Thank you, Mommy. Lingkod sa way ay sa life. I forgot to give Chari his shirt and net. Halaka! Jeffrey! Chari is a little bit mad. Oh my goodness! Kibot man.